the first one is to, and I like this one, is to plan several ways if possible. And I think this is great because it gives you a chance. If you have a fail point, you have a saving point usually too. So this would mean, growing, whether it be something like raised beds versus containers versus in the ground, but then also growing annuals and perennials if possible. Sometimes you can't grow perennials depending on where you're growing, but these give you some options, and
well, it's just like growing up on the farm.
Some control.
On our farm, we had multiple, I guess, stop points, or I don't know what the term is, but we had cattle, we had hogs, we had wheat, grain, we had soybeans, and we had corn. So there was 5 different levels of income that could come in.
Like a fail stop.
A fail stop, yeah. So if one, and then in amongst those varieties, we didn't plant all the same variety of soybeans or all the same varieties of corn. We had 5 or 6 different varieties of each one of those that was spread amongst the farm. So if one had a bug infestation or did poor in drought, even though it was tested by the seed companies, one field may have only yielded 40 bushel the acre, but the other one did 90 or 110. We didn't have everything all one thing, and if it failed, we were done.
Right. So that's the same thing here. You obviously don't have to include livestock or